The anticipation surrounding the iPhone 17 launch is electric, and it's already stirring the imagination of accessory makers, especially case manufacturers, who seem fully prepared ahead of the official reveal this Tuesday. The buzz is real, and IFA 2025 provided a first-hand look at how case creators have readied their designs, offering a sneak peek that many will find fascinating. Jess Weatherbed, a seasoned technology news writer with a background at Tech Radar, dove deep into this world of innovation and shared her observations from the floor where phone accessories take center stage. She explored 2 entire rooms filled with the newest mobile add-ons, spotting many cases clearly tailored for Apple's soon-to-be-unveiled iPhone 17 lineup, notably the Pro and Air models. These cases were displayed on dummy units, providing great insight into what the design and dimensions of the new phones might actually be. What's particularly striking is the consistency across the cases regarding the phone's design cues. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max appear to adopt a camera design reminiscent of Google's Pixel phones. Instead of the smaller squared camera bar found on the current iPhone 16 Pro models, the bar seems to extend across the entire upper back of the device. This suggests a significant stylistic shift. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Air sports a similar camera bar, but in a much thinner format, featuring a single camera lens and a sleek, slim profile. Handling a dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Pro Max gave a tangible sense of its form factor, an essential experience ahead of the launch. Likewise, the iPhone 17 Air impressed with its slender build. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman highlighted in his upcoming event preview that this model would be roughly 5.5 millimeters thick, making it about 1/3 thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro. However, this thinness comes at a cost, a likely reduction in battery life. In comparison to my own iPhone 14 Pro Max, the Air felt remarkably light and compact, underscoring Apple's push toward ultra-portability. Though official information on the iPhone 17 designs awaits next week's announcements, the cases and dummies displayed at IFA 2025 already paint a pretty clear picture of Apple's direction. But here's where it gets controversial. Does the shift to a thinner body with potentially compromised battery capacity truly benefit users, or is it a trade-off driven more by aesthetics and market trends? This is the kind of question that Apple fans and critics alike will be debating once the new phones debut. Following this launch is going to be interesting, especially as we observe the consumer response to these design choices. Are slimmer devices truly the future, even if they sacrifice endurance? Or would users prefer a slightly bulkier device with longer-lasting battery life? These are crucial discussions to have, so be sure to share your thoughts and expectations once the new iPhone 17 models hit the market. For now, Jess Weatherbed's exploration at IFA offers a valuable glimpse into what's coming and sets the stage for an exciting reveal event. Keep an eye out next week as Apple finally pulls back the curtain. But for those curious about the iPhone 17's look and feel, these case previews might just be the closest thing to holding the real devices before launch day.